Hello everyone, it's the Bitcoin Governor. I'm still on vacation in the Netherlands, so please excuse any sound quality problems that I have. So let's get started. As we can see here on coinmarketcap.com, the market is still reacting to the Bitcoin Cash user-activated hard fork that is due on August the 1st. So everything is in the red. I hope some of you have taken advantage of the situation and been able to gain from the fluctuations because the opportunity is there. Now let's quickly have a look at what some of the exchanges are doing. Let's start with Kraken. Now Kraken believe that a Bitcoin Cash fork is expected to be a minor issue, though they say that if it were successful, they have contingency plans in order to deal with this. They say here under their section what Kraken clients need to know. They mention here that Bitcoin funding will be halted at 11 a.m. UTC time on August the 1st. So please keep in mind, take your Bitcoin off the exchanges. This is the best way for you to be safe. Of course, some of these exchanges will, as I said, have contingency plans in order to make this work correctly. But for your own safety, withdraw your Bitcoin to your private wallet. So they say that trading will still continue across the fork. So please be aware of that. Some people will be definitely in there to try and get some gains if there does happen to be a scare. Now, another very popular exchange, Coinbase, has put out an update on their blog on the 27th. It's all related to what customers can expect from Coinbase in the event of a split or a fork on the Bitcoin network. They too notify us that their first priority is the safety of customer funds. And they want us to know that in the event of a fork, our fiat currency and digital currencies will be safe. In the event of two separate blockchains after August the 1st, we will only support one version. So they have no plans to support the Bitcoin Cash fork. And they say the reason is because they say it's very hard to predict how long the alternative version of Bitcoin will survive and if Bitcoin Cash will have a future market value. If there are two separate digital currencies, BTC and BCC, customers with Bitcoin stored on Coinbase will only have access to the current version of Bitcoin, which is BTC. So if you have your Bitcoin in a private wallet, you'll get both BCC and BTC, but if you only have your Bitcoin on Coinbase, you will only get BTC. And they mention in big bold heading here, customers who wish to access both Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash need to withdraw Bitcoin stored on Coinbase before 59 minutes past 11 at night on the 31st of July. If you do not wish to access Bitcoin Cash, then there is no action required. They also say that they plan to temporarily suspend Bitcoin buys and sells deposits on the 1st of August. So we have Poloniex here who have put out a press release regarding any BTC network disruptions. So they talk about here, there are a number of proposals for technical changes to Bitcoin that may take effect in the coming weeks. So we are taking this opportunity to communicate our plans for managing any resulting network disruptions. Now they say down here, any decision we make will be with the security of users' tokens in mind. We will be disabling deposits and withdrawals of Bitcoin and all BTC related tokens any time we deem necessary to ensure that all tokens stored on Poloniex remain safe. They don't say how long they would take it down for. It's all dependent on the network stability, but that their objective will be to bring the wallet back up as soon as deemed safe to do so. If you don't want to leave the decision of which Bitcoin tokens to support to a third party, you should not keep your tokens on any third party platform. Let's move across to Bitpanda. Now, Bitpanda offers the service of being able to transfer Bitcoin to Amazon vouchers as well as other payment processors. Now, this is their information. They say here that their service will come to a temporary halt on Monday, the 31st of July. And in bold here, if you wish to hold Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, you need to withdraw your Bitcoins from your Bitpanda wallet before 1 o'clock CET, July the 31st. So once again, go through their little FAQ here and see if it's information that you require. Now on to BitMEX, which is trading of derivatives with Bitcoin. They have put out an article on their blog here about the policy of what they will do in the event of Bitcoin hard forks. They mention here, at BitMEX, our top priority is protecting the assets of our customers. Good to know. So they have a policy written for the actual 1st of August user-activated hard fork. They mention here, because their policy mentions that they require two-way replay protection, which is not included with the user-activated hard fork proposal, that if it does happen, BitMEX may be unable to protect the new Bitcoin Cash tokens on behalf of clients. So BitMEX will not support the split or distribution of Bitcoin Cash, nor will BitMEX be liable for any Bitcoin Cash sent to BitMEX. So guys, take your Bitcoin out of BitMEX for the moment, just to be safe. Thank you everyone for viewing. Please keep in mind to be cautious during this time. Be prudent with your investments. There is room here to really make some money during the market fluctuations. I will continue to keep you updated on what is happening with this fork if any relevant information comes out for you. So please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Bitcoin Governor out.